Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. Today we are down 97 basis points. On the 1 hour chart, we are no longer overbought on the RSI. On the 4 hour chart, we are at support at the 9 moving average and we hit resistance on the 200 moving average. And we also got off of overbought territory on the RSI. So I do see a possible sideways action. On the daily chart, we see the 9-day is converging up to the 18-day moving average. That's a positive sign for the trend reversal. At the moment, I do see possible sideways action. We need to see a test and close the gap made above, and we want this trend to touch the moving average and find support and continue to move on higher. And do note that there was a volume spike on Friday, so that's a positive sign for the uptrend. As for resistance, I do see resistance above the 50-day moving average, so past support act as resistance now, so I do see resistance at $21.90. As for support, the 9-day moving average and 18-day moving average right down here as support if we do turn down. So if we were to move down lower, that price movement to touch support is roughly 3%. On the other hand, to move on higher, that price movement is around 6.9% move up. Onto the next module. I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend that dated back to October 4th, 2017 to December 29th, 2017. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we started off touching the bottom Bollinger Band and red circle, and then we made a reversal to touch the upper Bollinger Band right here, and then we continue in a downtrend for several days right here, and then we made a quick reversal right here touching the upper Bollinger Band on the trend down here. So what we have is we're touching the bottom Bollinger Band in the beginning, and we made an attempt to touch the upper Bollinger Band, not quite touching the upper Bollinger Band, but very good attempt. And then we made a reversal into a downtrend for several days, and then at the end we see it touch the upper Bollinger Band once more. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast would also be the same. So let's head to the forecast model. One moment. All right. So I'll go day by day. Where natural gas back in 2017, October 24th to December 29th. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, 7 days out. So back then on October 4th, December, so natural gas was roughly down 1.7%, so still slightly to the downside and sideways price action. And here's the line chart that I compared it to. So we have the current trend in the blue line and the 2017 trend overlapping as the red line. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.